Welcome to Vegan Food Porn Stars. I'm downtown Vancouver. I'm starving. I gotta go catch a plane. Here I am on the road again. Well, the skies anyway. Oh, bad daddy's gotta go on another adventure. Oh man, we'll be right back. Oh, next time, okay, man? Downtown van. Oh yeah, what a stretch. All the way to the top. Down again. Oh, that felt good. We're outside. So, man, when you're starving downtown, you gotta go. Where do you do? Vegan hot dog. Hot dogs. That's a thing for me. So I'll show you how I do it. I have a meeting behind me nonchalantly. So ruin my vlog. Alright, so I got my veggie dog, but she didn't want to be in that vlog. So what I did was I ordered a veggie dog, but I told her I'll be back in 10 minutes because you need that getting crispy, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not, you need them crispy. So it's worth the wait, but also the bun is not vegan, so I brought my own vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free bread and saving the day here. So, you know, it's all about the condiments anyways, right? Oh, the condiments. I gave her a good tip. Maybe she'll let me film the condiments. Yeah, always ready. Really good. Gonna throw it on the grill for a bit. Probably gonna get attacked by some birds before I can get over there. Toast that bread a little bit. Something about that bread. If you toast it, man. Oh man, I'm telling you, this is how it's done. This is vegan food porn at its finest. Wow, thank you very much. Oh wow, look at that. Let's dress her up. Okay, that's good, really good for you. A couple of banana peppers because you want to get your metabolism moving for the day. Nice toast on that bread. Wow, that's awesome. Get some onions in there. Try some spicy mustard on here. Oh, look at that. Everything is perfect on here. Like this. That's how you do it. Love ketchup. I mean, hey, ketchup's vegan. Just because traditional, you know, I like regular mustard. Traditional. The French got this right. Alright, here we are. Sandwiched up. It's a beauty. Awesome toast on there. Bread, char on the wiener, all the good stuff there. Good, love it. So I'm gonna tie into this now. Oh man. Just starving. It's so worth the wait. Delayed gratification. Just like the flowers, wait till spring. That's porn. Top of quality, yeah. Oh, I got sauerkraut on my screen. You know what I love best about the city? Because I'm a small town boy. You can do whatever the hell you want. Nobody gives a shit. That's the secret to happiness. Not caring what other people think, just do your thing. Wow, this is a good veggie dog. Here I'm downtown, sharing this dog with you fine folks. Every day is an adventure. Every day. Oh man, you should see my hand. Look at this. I gotta go. Oh my god, people must think I'm high AF. Ain't nothing in the world more satisfying than water. Peace out downtown. It's time to hit the airport and probably get some food there too. You can see how smoky it is here. There's a lot of forest fires in BC right now. So very unfortunate. And kind of actually smells like dirty diapers in here. So there's a lot of kids in here.
This train is from YDR Airport.
Of course, here I am going the wrong way, wrong gate. BJ is late. The killer whale on top. Speed walker. How much trouble I'd get in if I took that for a ride. Hey, time crunch. I need to get something to eat. Let's see what I can wrap my lips around.
Hello, how are you?
Good. Just made it. 2 bananas. It's gonna be. Actually, I bought one and the lady gave me 2. How awesome is that? Going the wrong way. That's pretty sweet. Got a banana, 2 bananas, some tomato juice, and some pretzels. And when you're hungry, do what you can. I'm trying the Starbucks blended cold brew. It's got all plant-based and 270 calories and $7.85. So let's see how good this is. Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. So good, but you would not want to get hooked on these. Way too expensive. Brain freeze. It's good.
Like that?
Yeah, so just get the random pat down that was more like a half massage to me. Whoa. Good thing she'd be cute. So, enough of Calgary, Cowtown. Let's get on to Edmonton. Believe it or not, I'm actually a country boy. Yeehaw! So smoky here too. Smoky all across Canada. Kinda cool, eh? Alright, so we're in Edmonton. It's been a long day for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Love you all.